Good day again and welcome to our Shareables Potpourri YouTube channel, and I welcome you again for this another edition of our cooking to the glory of God. So for several months and days now, we are already given this in our Facebook page, how to make oatmeal for the request of everybody. We want it to make it available in YouTube channel so that you can easily find it. This is the reason why we created this channel. So this morning again, um, our preparation is about how to make oat milk. The other two videos that we presented, we present about how to make banana milk, and we tried to have a banana milk with glutamate and chia seeds. So why we are doing this? It is because we have come to a time that it is not safe now, no? It is not safe to drink milk made from dairy products. We know the diseases that comes from the animal, so we need to go back to the plant base. So this is the time of restitution. This is the time to go back to the divine prescription, the original guide that God has given to men. So, and we are hoping that you will be guided and you will be enjoy the benefits of having this one in your family. So this is not only for the young children, even the adults can enjoy it. Okay, so this is how we prepare this stuff. So we have here our ingredients. So our ingredients is, of course, for our base, we have our oat milk, rolled oat milk, not an instant, but rolled oat milk, rolled oats, I mean. And also we have our water. So that is our base ingredients, and we need our blender to liquefy or blend this milk, and the strainer. Okay, we need also strainer, or if you have your milk cloth, this is also very important to make milk. Okay, so it's either strainer or milk cloth. You can use it for straining our milk later on. So we need 1 cup of this oat. Okay, so the 1 cup of oat, okay, this rolled oat, we already put water there for overnight. So we need to soak our 1 cup oat overnight, and this is how it looks now. So I need to strain this one, and we will put it in our blender. Okay, so I will need to strain. Okay, so this is 1 cup oat that we soak for a night. So this is it. And after this, we need to put it in our blender. So you can use any of the blender, but it is an advantage if you use the high-powered blender. Okay, so we will put this 1 cup soaked oat, and we will add 3 glasses or 3 cups of water. So that is the ratio. 1 cup of soaked oat to 3 cups of water. Okay, we are also using this milk in our smoothies, in our baking, and even in a little in our ice cream, vegan ice cream. Okay, so we will start now blending this oatmeal. Okay, so it's now time to strain. Again, you can use a cloth, or you can use a fine strainer. So we will use this one. Okay, we will so this is already our base. So this is the result, and we will strain this one. Okay, we can get our milk ready. So out from this oat milk, this is when it comes to its benefits, it is free from cholesterol and high in fiber, vitamins, and minerals. This is good for our stomach, and it can remove toxin. Okay, this is it. And we can use the pulp in our cookies or in our uh, baking food. So this is a very important uh, preparation. So mothers out there, so you can use it in your children. So aside from banana milk, you can alternate this one. And if we can compute the amount or the cost of it, it is very, uh, it is cost only in minimal amount. It is very cheap. Okay. So again, this is very safe because it is plant-based. And God wanted us to go back to plant-based method. Okay. Okay, so we will put it in our glass here, and some of it we will reserve for our flavored oatmeal. So this is our oatmeal. Okay, so if you want to have flavored, okay, we will finish it first, and then we will go to our flavored, natural flavored oatmeal. So you can use either carob, or if you have available strawberry, you can have it. And yesterday we demonstrate to you how to preserve glutamate, and we have already powderized it, so we can try how it looks. So it will last up to 5 days. Okay, so you can have it in your homes as long as your storage glass is tightly closed. You can preserve it for days. Okay, one more time. So it is good that you have a good blender so that the pulp is only in a minimum amount. Okay, this is it. So we can store the pulp one so we can use it in our baking uh, baking food or in any other recipes you want. Okay, so we will set aside this. Okay, so this is it, and this is the first one that we strain. So again, you can use strainer, fine strainer, or you can use this cloth. Okay, so this is available in the market. Okay, and we try to have this milk, okay, na merong flavor. Okay. Okay, so we will be using this blender again. So we will have first, we will flavor it strawberry flavor. Okay, so again, if you have your strawberry in your homes, you can flavor it with strawberry. Okay, so for the sake of demonstrating, we are using small amount only. Okay. Okay, so this is how it looks now. Isn't it wonderful? Okay, so this is our strawberry milk. And we will try our carob milk. So again, we will put our milk here. And we will put our at least 1 teaspoon carob. So you can try to find this carob in health shop. So this carob is a plant-based chocolate, and this is what John the Baptist is eating. Okay, so this is very healthy. Okay, so we have it here. So you can also put a sweetener. You can put molasses or honey, or if you have maple syrup, you can use it. Okay, so this is it now. So this is our carob flavored oatmeal. Okay. And the last one, we will try to have color blue. Okay, oatmeal. So you need to wash it first so that the color will not. So we will put again another cup of our oatmeal. So from our 1 cup of oatmeal or our base, it will yield 4 cups of oatmeal. Okay, so we will try our. So this is what we dehydrate. This is the dehydrated glutamate. So we will use it in our oatmeal. So let's see how it looks. And later on we will taste it. Okay, so. Okay. Okay, so this is it now. So we have pink, we have brown, and we have this blue one. Okay, so again, your sweetener, it depends upon what is available on in your homes. So you can use honey, you can use maple syrup, or you can use brown sugar or molasses. So that's a healthy one. Okay, so again, I hope you enjoy watching our videos. So this is a healthy meal. This is good for everybody, young and old. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you will subscribe this page. God bless.